Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP Macros. So if we want to reuse the same set of statements more than once in a program, we need to include them in a macro. For example, a macro can be useful for long calculations or for writing complex write statements. We can only use a macro within a program in which it is defined. Macro definition should occur before the macro is used in the program. Macros are designed based on placeholders. Placeholder works like pointers in C language, and you can define a macro within the define end of definition statement. So the basic syntax of a macro definition: define macro name statements, end of definition, macro name parameter 1, parameter 2. It is necessary to define a macro first before invoking it. The param1 replaces the placeholders and the ABAP statements contained in the macro definition. The maximum number of placeholders in a macro definition is 9. That is, when a program is executed, the SAP system replaces the macro by appropriate statements, and the placeholders are replaced by the parameters param1, param2, etc. We may invoke a macro within another macro but not the same macro. Example: go to transaction SE38, create a new program z_macro_test along with the description in short text field and also with appropriate attributes such as type and status. So report z_macro_test defined mac_test, right? This is macro, end of definition. Parameters: S1 type C as checkbox, parameters S2 type C as checkbox, parameters S3 type C as checkbox, default X. Then start of selection: if S1 equal to S mac_test1 end if S2 equal to S mac_test2 end if S3 equal to X mac_test3 end if. So we have 3 checkboxes while executing the program, and let us select the S2 checkbox. So the above code produces the output like a macro program. This is macro 2. If all checkboxes are selected, the code produces the output like a macro program. This is macro 1, this is macro 2, and this is macro 3. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP Macros. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.